How to put text behind images in seconds. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search textbehindimage.com. After you type in that, press on enter. After you press on enter, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and click on select image. After you click on select image, select the image you want to add, and then press on open. Now your image will be generated in here. On the right side, click on add new text, and then simply delete edit in here, and then type in the text you want to add. You can change font size, font family, and other options like color. After you do that, it will take some time, and as you can see, there is a text behind my picture, and it is subscribe, and I wrote font size 200, so the letters are too big. This is how to put text behind images in seconds. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.